Are you looking for a simple yet powerful exercise to strengthen your lower body, improve hip flexibility, boost knee stability, and even support better libido and erectile function? The horse stance might be exactly what you need. This ancient exercise is more than just a deep squat. It's a full-body workout that engages your core, enhances balance, and even builds mental toughness. You may have seen fitness icons like Wim Hof performing this stance with intense focus, and for good reason. It offers benefits that go beyond the physical, training both mind and body. Today, we'll dive into the surprising advantages of the horse stance, how it builds strength and resilience, and the best way to incorporate it into your routine for maximum results. And number 7 is a game changer, so stick till the end. Number 1. Builds lower body strength. The horse stance is an exceptional exercise for building lower body strength, primarily targeting the quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. In this deep, wide-legged squat, the constant muscle tension strengthens and tones these key muscle groups while enhancing endurance. Ideal for sports enthusiasts and anyone seeking powerful leg strength, the isometric nature of the horse stance provides a full lower body workout that's suitable for beginners and advanced athletes alike. Number 2. Strengthens core stability. Core stability is a cornerstone of fitness, and the horse stance is incredibly effective in building a stronger core. The wide-legged squat position activates muscles in the abdomen, obliques, and lower back, crucial for balance and posture. Consistent practice builds muscle endurance and promotes proper posture while reducing the risk of back injuries. In short, adding the horse stance to your fitness routine lays a strong foundation for body stability and balance. Number 3. Enhances balance and proprioception. Named after its resemblance to horseback riding, the horse stance fosters impressive balance. Holding the stance strengthens core and leg muscles while enhancing proprioception, your body's sense of position and movement. This not only aids in daily activities, but also boosts performance in other exercises. By training your body to distribute weight evenly and maintain alignment, the horse stance improves overall stability and balance. Number 4. Strengthens tendons. The horse stance is also excellent for tendon health. When you hold the wide-legged stance, your tendons experience a gentle, consistent stretch, encouraging them to strengthen and adapt over time, similar to muscles. Stronger tendons mean better joint support and a lower risk of injuries, especially in movements that require quick direction changes or heavy lifting. Number 5. Builds mental toughness. Unlike other exercises, the horse stance requires mental resilience. Holding this challenging position for extended periods pushes you to confront physical discomfort, training your mind to endure and build resilience. This exercise encourages you to break mental barriers, boosting self-confidence and fostering a strong, determined mindset. Number 6. Boosts athletic performance. Widely practiced in martial arts, the horse stance is known for enhancing stability, power, and agility. Athletes in sports like basketball, soccer, and gymnastics benefit from this stance's lower body strength, balance, and core stability. Regular practice improves performance in dynamic movements, such as jumping and sprinting, making it invaluable for high-intensity sports. Number 7. Supports libido and erectile function. The horse stance isn't just great for physical strength, it also promotes better blood circulation to the pelvic region, which can positively impact libido and erectile function. By engaging and strengthening muscles around the hips and improving flexibility, this exercise enhances pelvic health and boosts testosterone levels, which are essential for maintaining sexual vitality. Regular practice can contribute to improved stamina and overall reproductive health. To perform the horse stance correctly, start with feet together. Step out in a pattern of toes out, heels out, until reaching a comfortable wide position. Keep your upper body straight with a relaxed, controlled breathing pattern. Lower your hips without allowing knees to extend beyond toes, and aim for a 45-degree thigh angle if you're new to the position. Avoid leaning forward or backward. Focus on a vertical alignment from head to hips. Hold the position. Start with 2 to 3 sets of 30-second holds, gradually increasing to 1 to 2 minutes as you build strength and endurance. In conclusion, the horse stance is a transformative exercise that combines strength, balance, and mental toughness in one simple movement. Whether you're looking to enhance athletic performance, improve posture, or build resilience, this ancient practice delivers incredible results with consistency and patience. Make it a part of your fitness routine and experience the benefits firsthand. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And be sure to check out our other videos and playlists for more insightful contents. See you soon.